Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel!
Hi guys! So, birthday ni Ivy ngayon and we just wanna say thank you to Events by Miss Candy. Sobrang ayos po nila mag-organize and ang ganda po talaga ng ayos nila sa surprise mo ng birthday ni Ivy.
Thank you po sa Events by Miss Ken. Super nag-enjoy po ako ngayong birthday ko and super accommodating po ng mga staff. And ayun po, more events pa po sa inyo.
Hoping to work with you again soon, Miss Candy. Sobrang sarap ng food, sobrang friendly and accommodating ng staff niyo po, and ang organized din talaga ng from the food down to the lights, to the music, and to the background, lahat ng designs. So maraming salamat po sa inyo and hope to work with you again soon. Ingat and God bless po sa inyo. More success to come.
And then that drawing, you pass on to the other one, tapos they're gonna guess what kind of drawings. Pero they're still gonna, they're still gonna
Boss D, please pakitagalog kasi we're panicking. We're panicking now. Our nose and ears gonna start to bleed. Ayun, ganun po sige. Itatranslate ko po kasi foreigner to si Boss D. Okay, Boss D, itatranslate ko po. So sabi ni Boss D, may sasabihin siyang message kay Ivy. Tama? So si ang mga person.
Cellphone ko dito. Nagkakakamuflag si Basa sa'yo.
Pakita mo kung sino ka talaga!
Birthday din namin! Tandaan!
Ayun, di ba?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up
So, ayun na nga guys. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video nito, huwag mo naman sanang kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe. At pakipindutin mo na din ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos. Thank you! Bye!